Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 3 would like to present the result of our paper in the second stage. Next. Here is the self-introduction session. My name is Muhammad Jad Mustafa Besari Malik.
My name is Adrian Samar Sauki.
Next. So this is here we have for table of contents. Number 1, implementation of technology architecture. Number 2, definition of MOS. Number 3, component diagram MOS. And number 4, strength and weakness.
First, implementation of technology architecture. The technology architecture relates the application component of the application architecture to the technology component that represent the software and hardware component. Next.
Definition of MOS. Definition of MOS, the name of the term MOS comes from its resemblance to a small corded and elliptical device. Is why people call it MOS that look like a MOS. MOS a MOS is small handle input device that control the cursor or pointer on a computer screen in relation to how is moved on a flat surface. Next.
Three component diagram MOS. Next. 1. Scroll wheel. Press the wheel to switch between two ultra-fast scrolling and click to click mode. 2. Middle button. This middle button turns the middle button into a gesture button that you can use to trigger gesture that simplify desktop and application management. 3. Battery status LED. Serves to see the result of the indicator or percentage on the mouse battery. Next, 4. Micro USB port. This micro USB only works for charging if the LED faces slowly until it is fully charged when it's on continuous. 5. On-off switch. For the on-off button, of course, you know to turn on or turn off the mouse. 6. Connect button. Because to Logitech Anywhere 2 mouse is rarely connected using Bluetooth. 7. Easy switch. There are the easy switch on this Logitech Mi X Anywhere 2 mouse to connect to different device. Back or forward button. This back or forward button serve to simplicity or improve navigation, compatibility, and simplicity text. Next.
The last part, strength and weakness. Strength and weakness. Number 1, strength, small and light. It means is a part of depth in the MX Anywhere 2, whereas mouse with a small and light display, we can carry it anywhere without having to be complicated, like carrying a USB mouse in general. And also a small size, we can also carry into a jacket pocket if you don't want to carry a bag. Very simple and practice. Number 2, elegant and design. With an elegant and design, this mouse can be of interest to teenagers and adults, so that this mouse can be of interest to customer who want to buy it. Number 3, excellent precision sensor multifunction scroll wheel. This mouse sensor also uses dark field, whose function is to move the mouse. You don't have to use a mousepad, but can be on a table and glass and etc. With multifunction scrolling, this mouse can be work better than other types of mice when When we scroll, this mouse can be shown and can also be silent. Not only that, we can also slide this mouse left or right on the scroll when opening mouse website or blog. And number 4, many connection option. With the 3 connection option in this mouse can also be a very good advantage. So if we are in the same connection on laptop and want a connection in can also be done and once without having to be removed like a USB mouse. Weakness. Number 1, too small for some user. With this small mouse, some are adaptable to use it and also for those with large hand. It's not very suitable when using it. With a fairly elegant appearance, it can track the result of and is already in the advanced mouse category. Number 2, expensive price. This is MX Anywhere 2 wireless mouse is very suitable to be purchased because the system or technology that has been provided in the mouse is very worth it to buy. And last, radiation. Radiation is also definition in the Bluetooth mouse is if it is used all day without turning it off, it causes radiation to our eyes. Therefore, avoid using it for a full day, or in other ways, we can also use anti-radiation glasses.
Thank you for watching our group presentation. Sorry if there is a wrong pronunciation. Bye-bye.